gonna show you what I bought from Temu for zero. Yes, you can sell it good for zero money because the package was lost, and then Temu returned the money back to me because I wanted to, and then after 2 days it arrives at my courier ACS. I took it just for zero money. They didn't want money from me, and now I don't know what's going on. Temu thought that it was lost, and they gave me also €5 guarantee because it arrived later than the time frame. So I have €5 guarantee now in Temu I can spend, and I have all this stuff for free. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna open my Temu box. First time I saw this, I was impressed. I wanted to buy it because it's a light with motion sensor. So if you go close, it opens automatic. So I thought it would be nice when it's dark and when it's a night to come close it and not has to open lights and press all the time the clips to open the lights. So it was perfect, and I thought it was bigger and has more lights, but we will see it. We will try it. It's 20 centimeters. Okay, let's see it. It has a USB. Okay, it's this one. So it has only one light, and here says how it works. The induction distance is 1 until 8 centimeters. If you hold your hand here, it opens. And first we need to charge it a little bit with this. I will charge it and I will show you how it works. The Intelligent light costs me €4.48. Now you can find it with different price. Okay, I have put here this. Where can I use the sticker with the magnet, and then remove this one and just put it like this, so it can go out what time you want and charge it. It's really smart choice. Okay, let's start it. One light works like this. You need to press 2 times to start be automatically. So if you go like this, it opens. Okay, let's go a little bit far away. Did you see that it closed? Okay, when I go close, it will opens. It works so nice. I love this one. Oh, this, I love it, really. Induction wall lamp. It's also with motion sensor. Oh, perfect. This has a sticker, and you can use it. You can stick it everywhere you want. Okay, let's see it like this. I'm here and I'm coming home. And then I go from here, this side. Oh yes, it opens without also the hand. If you just walk, it opens. It's perfect. And it's warm light. It's some batteries. You can use some batteries and put them here. So I will put the batteries and I will show you later how it works. I bought this €5.03. Now you can find it with this price. Okay, it opens for some minutes, I think 1 minute, and then it closes automatically. And I think it should be work like the previous one. So when you go a little bit close and you walk, no, it's not working. Okay, let's try it. Up. I didn't come close and it just opens. Oh my god. As you can see, I try it in the light, but it doesn't work. If it's dark and if it's night, it works. So I close the windows to try it. Okay, this is humidifier. It has also a USB. Here has on off. I need to put some water and charge it and show you how it works also. I bought the €2 only. Now you can find it with this price. Okay, let's try the humidifier. Let's put some water on it. We can use also some fragrance oil. I will use jasmine fragrance. I just charge it and start working. Really nice, and it smells good because I used the fragrance oil. It's playful, it's very good. Look how perfect is it. One I bought for €1.17, each a brass. Now you can find it with this price. Oh, I found it. Here you press it a little bit and it goes out. Alright. You clean and here it collects every liter you have. Okay, let's try use the brush. You are doing like this. And then I put it here. This is really good. Look what's going on. Perfect. I bought this telephone for washing your head. Shower head. It's about €1.98. Now you can find it with this price. As you can see, there are different types of how the water need to flow down. And here it has off. You can stop it and you can start working it. Okay, here is the off. Here you can turn it. So I open. And if I put it up, it closes. It opens. Really good. Hop, it opens. And this one is also really nice in the dark. Okay, this is the clock I bought from Temu. It's with sticker. And I just followed the instructions and put some batteries. Put it here and it works very good. It looks really nice. I bought this for €4. This is the price for now and you can have other colors too. I didn't unboxing it because I was so thrilled about it and I wanted to open it and try it and put it to my wall to show you that it's already how it works and how it looks like. For some that believe that Temu is a scam, no, I don't think so, but maybe sometimes they lost the packets because you need to be clear to make sure that you have put the right address, all the stuff about the address, and no worries if the packets not arrive on time, you will get €5 guarantee. So I believe that's very clever and smart choice I did, and I bought this all for free from Temu. Yes, I hope they will not need money, but it's okay. I need to pay them, of course, if they wanted to, but I loved all the things I bought today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, make a comment if you want to ask something, and if you want to have the ring bell ding when a video comes up from me and you want to watch it when I make it, you need to put a subscribe down here, the red one, the red button, and then you will have a pop-up notification that I made a video, a new video, and you will see it instant. So